This is Lumaca Terrace 25. As you can see, this is the original fabric. Today we're going to show you how to change this to a DTP custom fabric. This is the main bar which goes onto the car, and this is the scroll bar which you take out from the car. You're going to flip over the scroll bar and take out the pin bolt. Take out the double D ring as well. And take out the edge cap from the scroll bar. Take a 3.2 pi drill bit and take out the blend rivets. Tap out the edge cap. Blow off the excess with air. Pull out the fabric quickly. You have the DTP. You have the rounded piece right here, put onto the rail, and then we're going to pull. Fold it back. Put back the edge cap on the scroll bar, tap it in. It is important that you put the pin bolt into the hole of the double D rings. Screw back in. We will provide the extra pin bolts with the DTP fabric. Tap in the edge cap for the main beam as well. Screw the pin bolt. Voila, you have the DTP. Simple as that.